Hello, my name is David Navarro. I am 36 years old. I am paramedic. I live in a very beautiful municipality surrounded by mountain and river. I live in Grabando. In my daily routine, I repair appliances and dedicate time to family and security. In my free times, I listen to music and watch videos in English. In my last vacation, I went with my family to Cartagena and had a great time. Enjoying this beach. I always travel in January because there is very beach and ability. In this year, I hope to practice my profession as English teacher. The best restaurant I have visited is called the Corner of Palermo, are special in pizzas.